Say hi to the vlog, ma'am.
Roll down my window and let the rain in. You call me by my name. Too late to turn home. We chase the night away.
Hello, everyone. So it is Monday. Thriftaplooza. Last day was yesterday. And I'm going to show you some of my haul. Some of it's in the car, but I'm not going to get it right now because it's pouring. First thing I got was this embroidery thread that's like all primary colors and it changes, and I thought that was cool, so I got that. Got this cat book because I got this Playboy book and I want to do art and put the cats in certain spots, because I thought it was funny. I got some baby clothes to redo because my nephew is having a baby like this month.
Let's dance to whatever, something to remember. Come along, come along, come along, come away. Make me unravel, forget about the matters. Darling, I hear it calling, no more of hiding. And I'll go on forever, riding this summer loving. We paint the sky green. And I'll go on forever.
Let's go through these. Got some patches. And I'm looking for patches that I like. These are just regular Green Day, The Lost Boys. And then Let's Watch Scary Movies. And then these, they all make themselves. What Would Tank Girl Do? Hocus Pocus. Napkin. I think these I got from the same shop. Let's see. I honestly, okay, I think I got that from a different shop. So I got this shirt. It's Wet Seal. Got this one. And it's like a little crop, and I'm probably gonna add like a tutu on the bottom. I got this one just because I love the color, like even on camera, like yes, I love it. This one I got it's very like tight and good quality. It doesn't have like a tag or anything in it, but I like it. This, I got this, that was from one shop, this is from another one. This little hoodie thing. This shirt. This flannel. I got this little top that goes with these little shorts. The shirt. These little overalls. This kid's shirt. I might not have gotten that all at the same shop, but they're all mixed up now. I got this little guy for a little guy or gal, and I'm obsessed. Can't wait to sew patches on those. I got all these jerseys, these white jerseys to dye and do stuff with. I got this little tuxedo shirt for a little distinguished gentleman or gentlewoman. Suspenders. These little suit pants. These little suit pants and suspenders. Another blazer, which I am loving this navy and like this orangey red color on the inside. Let's sew a bunch of patches on that. Oh, I got this Adidas dress that I have some ideas for. I got this Rainbow Dash shirt because I love it. Love Rainbow Dash. I just got this plain white shirt, which honestly, when she told me, it was like, I don't remember how much, but I was like, you're charging that, but whatever. And I got these nice ass kids Lee pants. And let's see what else I got. Hey, meow meow. You see that? She's like right in front, right there. Can you go elsewhere, por favor? I can't see myself. Okay. I got these iron-on decal things, the vintage ones, I think. Yeah, I got 2. Roses, and they're just flowers. I thought those would be cute. I got these patches. Jillian. This is my daughter's candle, chai latte. That does not smell like a chai latte. What is going on with this lid? Leggages. Let's see, do I have anything else in here that I got? Nope, but I did get these. Jillian. Now, can you move, please? Come here. Come here, sit with the mom. I got these little Converse, little kids Converse. I think that's it that I got that is in the house. And I did spend a pretty penny, but I'm so excited for everything that I'm gonna do with this stuff. And I will bring the stuff in tomorrow from the car and show you guys. That's it for now. Today is Tuesday, and we finally went and got the stuff out of the car. That back there is Irving. She's one of my models. And just ignore the sound in the background. My husband is making the fire bigger. We ordered heaters, but they're not going to be here for like a week. So this is our only source of warmth. So these are day 2 Thriftaplooza finds. So these are Levi's. I think they're skinny jeans. I was gonna say straight leg, but I think they're skinny jeans. And they're bright red, like them. I got more snowboarding stuff. And this hot pink, and this. These were only $2. So I had to get those. And these were $2 too. And then from the same place, I got these cool rings. They're glass. And I freaking love them. I sat there for like 30 minutes trying them all on, figuring out which ones would fit me. on the fingers. I wanted them all, and then went through and picked those two. And then I think at that place I got this too. It's like an acrylic necklace, but I'm gonna try to somehow use it for like a halter top. I cannot do this without looking at it. Where's the hook? I think my neck is too fat. My neck is too fat, but it's gonna be something like that. Just hooks together like that. So cute. What, you wanna play ball? You wanna play ball? Okay. And then she just gave me this, which I really like it. It's like a little tiger pendant, which I don't know how I'm gonna show it to you guys.
What are you guys doing out here?
Partying.
Partying?
And then at another place, I got a little bag of goodies. I got this candle. Yes, I got this candle, and it smells like a Christmas tree. I got this little purse that I'm gonna paint. I got this little fanny pack that I'm gonna paint. Got this little wristlet that I'm gonna paint. Oh my god, my nose is itching so bad. I got this little like coin purse thing. I thought the little studs around the edges were super cute. Let me just dump this out. I just got some elastic, some wire that I'm gonna like use to do hair thingies. I got a receipt for something that I didn't buy. That scared me. I got these. It's just like, I'm not really sure. It's just like edging. I got two of those. I got little jingle jangles that I have to be very careful with because like I feel like these things can come off looking cheap. So I have to be careful with those. I got these. And these I thought were adorable because they have little leaves on them. Those are the only ones that I got. Yeah, and then I got just a bunch of snaps, different types of snaps. Green, black, more green, more elastic, some seam binding lace, and I got these things. This is what caught my eye initially, like just these little embellishments. These little embellishments. I mean, I think these are so cute. I think that's it for day 2. Oh, but I wanted to show you. I got, hold on, let me find them. I got these at a different pop-up. These cute little stickers. And then these little buttons. Well, that's like really reflective. This says resting bitch face. I don't know how to make it not reflect. And then this one. And then at that same pop-up, I got these stickers from Glitter and Gloom. Says, if you're happy and you know it, it's your meds. And then, get in, loser, we're going to therapy. Mentally sick, physically thick. And ew, gross, organized religion. I thought those were cute. I'm gonna put those on Ginger. And then these I'm gonna put on this guy. And I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun spending a lot of money and doing the pop-up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.